Tim here with ZZPerformance with another Cruze build. Customer basically dropped off his 100,000 mile automatic bone stock Cruze and said he wants all the basics, but doesn't want a built engine, which is completely fine because the 1.4 is a pretty solid engine. So, mod list here. Basics are cold air intake, downpipe full 3-inch exhaust, Z04 turbo, stage 1 cam and valve springs, intercooler. That's pretty much it. I mean, basically a full mod package, and of course supported intake manifold, don't forget that one. So the customer drops off his car, we install all the mods, and I get handed the keys. I put it on the dyno. On his local premium fuel, it made 226 at the wheels. For reference, an automatic 1.4 makes around 115 wheel horsepower stock. But with all of our mods and premium fuel, it made 226. And then the customer was nice enough, which this is what I prefer, is he brought me a 5-gallon can of his local E85. So that is his fuel that he is going to get and put in this car when he gets back home. So I ran the car to empty. He showed up with like 1/8 of a tank, maybe a little less. Did all the tuning, got it done, used up his fuel, but I had just enough for one dyno pull. So I did the one pull, made the 226. I dumped in his Z85, ran it a bunch, and the next pull was 251. The ECM has the ability to regulate fueling, timing, and boost based on ethanol percentage. So when you run gasoline, it'll turn the power down a little bit. When you run, the more ethanol you run, the more it'll bring the power up until you get to wherever the optimal octane is for your mod package. This, I'm pretty sure, is the highest wheel horsepower automatic that I've dynoed. And what's funny is that ZZP has like 3 autos with Z04s. Obviously, our cars are within a couple horsepower of it, but like for a customer build to make more power than our own cars is kind of awesome. I don't mind it one bit. I will never hold a customer back. If a customer has a car that just wants to make power, then more power to them, because I mean that's the best part. Let us know what you think of this little sleeper. I know a lot of people hate that term, but this is a base model Cruze right here, making on snow tires. Now, if you have a 1.4, that could be a Trax, Encore, Cruze, Sonic. I'm probably missing some, I apologize. But if you want a similar build to this, just reach out to us. Our customer service team or me, myself, can help you with this build. Obviously, I love every customer build, but this is just a standard 100,000 mile automatic car. Dropped off. Obviously, he did his maintenance because the engine is in good condition. But we just threw all of our mods at it and some E85, and here's the dyno pull.